Hi, my name is Penny and I'm from the Artisan Bakery School in Devon, England. The naturally gluten-free sourdough bread course puts the most delicious and healthiest bread any gluten-free person could wish for right within your reach. We've now spent over 18 months testing and developing recipes for you to be able to make stunning sourdough breads that are also naturally gluten-free. Here at the Artisan Bakery School, our business is running live workshops and residential courses teaching students how to make amazing breads, pastries and pizza. We also write books, make online courses and train other baking teachers. By the end of this naturally gluten-free sourdough course, you will be able to make gluten-free sourdough breads that are really tasty, have crisp crust, soft crumb and stay really moist, bouncy and fresh. Master 7 unique and original gluten-free sourdough recipes for breads, rolls and pizza. Make and maintain your own sourdough culture using buckwheat, brown rice or sorghum flour. Confidently handle a wide range of naturally gluten-free flours. This course is for anyone who wants to improve their gluten-free baking and their health. So thanks for listening. For a little taster, try the free preview. Or why not join us right now? Your gluten-free sourdough journey starts here.